Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do knee stretches round here on the reformer. Okay, I have to be honest, the knee stretch series used to make me want to cry, but I really feel that now 15 years into my practice, I finally have an idea of how they go. Okay, so when I do the knee stretches round, you'll see other tutorials for the flat and the knees off, also some single leg knees off in that video as well. So if you want to see the whole series, make sure you watch each tutorial, but you want to start with 2 heavy springs and getting your feet into the shoulder blocks, really getting even your pinky toes, untuck them. You need them to press down. In fact, this ball of my foot, I'm trying to push it down into the carriage so that my heel can push back. It's really important. I see a lot of people who are like this or like this. You gotta get those toes stretched. It's important for your body that your feet can do that. Keep your wrists really straight, round your back, right? I see a lot of people try to round like this. It should be an even curve, so you can start neutral and then just pull your center in and reach your tail along. Now, the push out and in should be even, so the emphasis is not on the out. If there's an emphasis, it's on the in. So you push with the inner heels out and in, traditionally 10 times. So I say the inner heels because most people don't push with the heels at all. But if you push with those inner heels, you're going to get a lot more inner hamstring, inner thigh, and what I like to call the thut. So do 10 of those, and then you'll go into the flat, the knees off, and then you'll do the whole series someday without stopping. So here's just a few without me talking so you can just watch and see. Whew. That last one, you can see I went a little too far. My pelvis wanted to go out a little bit. So you kind of want to get stuck in your own shape. So there's a lot of hamstring. I know a lot of people feel their quads in this. I'm not saying that you won't, but your goal is to feel a lot of back body. And then you have so much lift in your center that it evens out your round shape. For any questions, please post them in the comments below. I'd love to hear how these go for you. If you need any tips or requests, you can post it in the comments below in any of my videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss any videos from me. And if you are in love with the reformer, I try not to skip the knee stretches ever in my online reformer classes because they are so integral to challenging what you're learning in your body and really creating a full body workout in your reformer practice. So I'd love to have you on onlinepilatesclasses.com. Check out our reformer class membership. I'll see you next time.